Somebody like myself, being an experienced gardener and farmer, there's way more hours spent on the prep than there is in the growing. Just to do the work doesn't take me that much time. It might be 4 hours a week that I spend doing all the gardening. That's the planting, the harvesting, all that stuff. It doesn't take me that much work, but the prep, I'll tell you, this year my wife went hardcore. The amount of preserving and canning and all this stuff we did, it was nonstop. We need to really allocate that time, because when it catches you off guard, it kind of sucks, because it takes so much time from you that it's overwhelming. And so even having some people help might be something we're going to do next year.